Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Logitech MX Master 3. Now this is the successor to the previous generation MX Master 2S. Now this is supposed to be one of the best mouse around. Well, I really enjoyed the MX Master 2S, so I'm really excited about this one. Before we start ripping into the box, let's take a look around it. In front we have MX Master 3 written here, a diagram of the mouse of course, and we have the Logitech logo, and here we have max speed, ultra fast scrolling written. On the right side of the box, as you can see, we have USB quick charging. Quick charge 1 minute for 3 hours of use, and a full charge to last you up to 70 days, and that's crazy. Obviously we have Bluetooth written here, and this is the unified dongle thing. I'll talk about that later. And the box contents here, of course, we have the mouse, obviously the unified dongle, a USB cable type C, and some literature. On the left side, there's really nothing here. It just says MX Master 3. Yeah, we know it is. We see here long hours of comfort, which means they've improved the ergonomics of the mouse yet again. Speed up your workflow, flow across multiple computers, precise tracking on any surface, track anywhere, even on glass. Very, very nice. Now, let's get into the box. So in the main box, we have yet another box. I see Logitech likes boxes. So we'll just open this up, and wow, that's the mouse. It looks really, really nice. Let's take this out. We also have the unified dongle, and we have yet another smaller box in here. You guys really like boxes, and this obviously contains the USB cable and some literature, which we're not going to look at. So this is the USB cable here, Logitech branding. Here it is, the Logitech MX Master 3. In front here we have the Logitech branding. Here we have that MagSafe wheel, I believe. Feels really nice. And we have a button up here, left, right click, obviously. On the left here we have the thumb wheel, the forward and back buttons, and a really nice textured area for your thumb to rest with a thumb button here. Round back, it gets interesting again with some literature here. Obviously the switches up here, this shows that you can connect via either the unified dongle or Bluetooth, two different computers at the same time. You know, here it shows that you can switch between computers. Let's peel this off, and now you can see the actual controls of, well, the things we just saw. And up here, making this mouse even more interesting, is that type C port, 1 minute charge for 3 hours of use. Love it. Inevitably, we have to compare the MX Master 3 to the previous generation MX Master 2S. Right off the bat, you can see some cosmetic changes. This is obviously slimmer. This MagSafe wheel feels better, feels a lot better. This just feels, I don't know, ratchety. This button here looks different, ever so slightly. On the left side here, where we have the buttons, the differences are a lot more obvious. Here we have the buttons crammed up in the old generation one. However, here they brought it down here and it looks cleaner and, you know, more useful there, I guess. And we can also see here the overall footprint of the newer generation one is smaller compared to the older MX Master 2S. And as far as aesthetics goes, I really like this textured line around the new generation one compared to this bland looking one here. The old generation MX Master 2S comes with the regular micro USB port compared to the type C on the new generation one. Comparing the feel of the mouse, using this on my hand feels slightly rolled towards the right and slightly lower, like my wrist is actually touching the table. However, this one, it's more like I am suspending or I am hanging over it. I guess because it's bigger, at the same time it's more central, but here my hand is leaning this way. Feels better. What makes this mouse a great mouse, well, besides the obvious amazing features like the ones we saw on the box, is that it's actually very customizable. You can remap the buttons on it to do a host of things, and that can be done using a certain app on your computer, which I'm also going to show you guys right now. So guys, we're on the computer now. We're going to connect the MX Master 3 to my computer. To do that, you need this Logitech Options app. As you can see, I already have my MX Master 2S and my Logitech K400 Plus keyboard both connected to my computer. So here we'll come to add devices. Here you can see that we have the option to both add it as a Bluetooth device and as a unifying device. Add unifying device. We're going to turn it on at this point, which I'm going to do right now. I have turned it on, and just like that, automatically your wireless mouse MX Master 3 has been successfully paired. Easy. If we go ahead to click the MX Master 3 here, the scroll wheel right now serves as a middle button, but we can come in here to change that up, customize it however we want. You can make it open apps, shut down the computer, do a lot of things. Same thing with the middle button here. You can come in here, customize that however we want. Gestures, here you get more options. Really nice, very, very useful, very, very detailed, and you can change that up. And same goes for these other buttons here. It's just crazy how much you can do with this mouse, and I guess that's why it costs this much. Come here, point and scroll. I'm going to enable smooth scrolling, increase sensitivity a little bit. You can tweak this however you want. And also in here we have flow, where you can, well, as you can see, the mouse move from computer to computer, which means you're going to be using your mouse to move between two computers that you've connected, and that's just really helpful. And you can also use this option to copy files from one computer on your desk to another computer on your desk just using your mouse, and that's just amazing. So guys, that's it, connecting the MX Master 3 and showing you all it can do. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.